What if America's favorite luxury hybrid SUV is about to get a massive mid-cycle shakeup that completely alters its interior layout? Lexus is preparing an extensive refresh for the 2027 Lexus RX350h, targeting the exact complaints drivers have had about its cabin controls and tech layout. But with rising luxury vehicle prices and intense competition from European rivals, is this upcoming refresh enough to keep buyers hooked? Wait until you see what Lexus is changing under the surface, because the interior redesign completely changes how you interact with the vehicle. We are looking closely at the anticipated 2027 Lexus RX350h. For years, the RX has dominated the mid-size luxury hybrid market by offering bulletproof reliability, incredible fuel efficiency, and serene ride quality. But as buyer expectations shift toward cleaner digital dashboards and more intuitive physical integrations, Lexus is stepping up its game. Why is this specific model capturing so much attention right now? Because early reports and spy shots indicate that Lexus is ditching its driver-angle dashboard layout in favor of a wider, sleeker, horizontally separated display architecture that fixes the quirks of the current generation. At first glance, the exterior stays true to its sophisticated DNA, but reports suggest it will receive subtle bumper updates, revised headlamp graphics, and fresh wheel designs to keep it looking sharp. But that's not the biggest change. Step inside, and early information indicates a complete overhaul of the dashboard ergonomics. Instead of heavy reliance on touchscreen integrated climate controls, industry insiders report that Lexus is introducing smarter, touch-operated buttons paired with a physical, knurled volume scroller. This addresses one of the most common owner grievances while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. And this is where things get genuinely interesting for efficiency-minded luxury buyers. Underneath the revised sheet metal, the 2027 model is expected to adopt Toyota and Lexus's evolving hybrid strategy, potentially packing an optimized fifth-generation hybrid system. While the current setup pairs a 2.5-liter engine to deliver around 246 horsepower with exceptional gas mileage. Early data hints at refined software calibration for smoother power delivery and even better real-world fuel economy. However, there's a catch that buyers should anticipate. With these technology upgrades and material enhancements, expected pricing will likely see a modest bump, pushing base hybrid trims higher into the upper $50,000 range. When you stack the 2027 Lexus RX350h up against its main competitors, like the BMW X5 xDrive 50e, Mercedes-Benz GLE 350, and Volvo XC60 Recharge, the value proposition shifts dramatically. While European rivals lean heavily into complex performance-oriented setups or aggressive sporty driving dynamics, the Lexus focuses on what it does best: peerless comfort, low ownership stress, and class-leading hybrid fuel efficiency. Competitors might win on raw horsepower or aggressive cornering grip, but the RX350h holds a massive advantage in everyday usability, long-term reliability scores, and hassle-free daily commuting comfort. So, is the upcoming 2027 Lexus RX350h still worth your hard-earned money? If you want a dependable, ultra-comfortable luxury cruiser that saves you thousands at the fuel pump without the headache of complex maintenance, the answer is a definitive yes. The biggest advantage is its refined new interior ergonomics, paired with legendary hybrid efficiency, while its biggest weakness remains a driving experience that prioritizes total sedation over sporty thrills. Ultimately, it looks exceptionally competitive for buyers who value absolute peace of mind. What do you think about the 2027 Lexus RX350h? Would you choose it over its European luxury competitors? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to CarNext for more new car updates.